Now last time I did this, it was with the low point, and we got a slam fire result. I've switched to the EBT-9 frame for this high point kit. We're gonna see how this goes. One round, 9mm. Whew. All right, here we go. Finger off the trigger. Oh, big flinch from me. It looks like it chambered. I'm going to attempt to shoot it. Let's do this one-handed. Hey! No lock back, but that's fine. I'm gonna go look for any cracks or anything, but that's way better than we had before. I'm very happy with that. Test number 2. 2 rounds of 9mm. Go. Again, no lock back, but that could just be a little adjustment on my end. Hell yeah. Oh, there it goes. Now it's locking back. Must have got itself into place. Rounds of 9mm. Good to go. No bolt hold open, or slide lock rather, but hell yeah, this thing's working great. I'm gonna do a full mag, fuck it. Well, now of course. All right, we got a full mag, 9mm out of the EBT-9. Let's see if I can actually hit the steel here. Okay, that was a failure to feed. Looks like a double feed actually. That might just be the magazine though. I noticed it was sticky. Alright, another full mag. Same thing. Same round count too. Mag is not great. Hey, you locked back that time. It's wearing in. I'm pretty sure it's just this fucking magazine. It's not feeding correctly, but just to be sure. Thing. Well, only load this magazine to 8.